Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC right here in the heart of Oshawa. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab AT4 4x4. I mean, that is a mouthful, but it is a mouthful of pickup truck. This is absolutely loaded with incredible features. Just wait till you see the inside. We're going to take you on a tour of this vehicle as if you were here with us on the lot, so you get a great look right from the comfort of your own home. All right, now let's talk about the power plant of this beast. Underneath the hood, we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it is 4x4. Now, this can tow up to 9,000 pounds. So it is ready to carry all the toys to the job site or the cottage or wherever you're going. I mean, this will tow pretty much anything you need to. You can see from the side profile, it is the full crew cab short bed on the back. We'll show you the box in just a minute, but we want to show you these great looking AT4 18-inch alloy wheels with the Wrangler tires as well. So a nice meaty tread on here. This also has the off-road suspension package. So you're going to get that beefed up suspension. You can see it there to handle all sorts of terrain. But I mean, this pickup is more than capable to handle whatever you're going to throw at it. We've got the nice turn signals in the side view mirrors, the AT4 badge down below, and then some side steps here to help the little ones get into the back seats. Now let's come around to the back. As we do, we'll have a look up top. You can see it's got a tonneau cover already installed, and then nice looking rear tail lights, little Sierra logo in the tail light there. We have the step up side bumper as well. Rear sonar on the back. We have the flexible tailgate too on the rear. Dual exhaust, integrated tow hitch receiver with the trailer brake controller on the inside. This has the trailering camera system as well. We'll show you that. I mean, there's lots to show you. Check out the flex tailgate. So this piece here drops down. This is obviously really cool. If you got lumber and things like that you want to just throw at the back, this is a different way of doing it, which is pretty neat. And then of course you can flip it up and drop the whole tailgate. It is a dampened tailgate as well. As you can see, it doesn't slam down. We have the spray-in bed liner from the factory. We have the handle here, just in case you need a little help getting in. That one flips up so that way you can jump into the back. And then we have the power outlet back here, a 400-watt power outlet. Power up all your tools, do some great tailgating, whatever the case is, that power outlet's gonna help you out. But I mean, can you imagine tailgating in this? Man, that'd be fun. Coming around the passenger side so you can see all four corners of this beautiful truck. Now we're gonna come up front. It's got a great presence with the headlights and the big grille up here. So we got LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. You can see those here. Same Sierra logo in the front headlights. Then we have the LED driving lights down below, and then check out these beautiful red recovery hooks at the front. And then look at this grille. Isn't that mean looking? What a great looking truck. AT4 badge just finishing off the look right up front. Now, if you want to be superhuman, you can help people out, take them out of the ditch, be a good Samaritan. What a nice thing to do in the wintertime. In the back, have a look. First time looking in here, look at this beautiful leather seating that we've got. Black leather seating. It's got this kind of baseball glove brown accents on the seat. This handle here opens this up because there is some storage here, which is kind of neat, right? Big center armrest that folds down. We have heated outboard seats too, so these seats on the outside are heated. And then we have two USB ports and rear ventilation here, so that way all the kids and whoever's back here can stay charged up. And we also have the floor liners included in this as well, so everything on the inside is going to stay nice and neat and tidy. Up front, same great seats, but now we have the AT4 logo embroidered in the headrest. You can see it on the other side as well. Nice big center armrest. Non-smoker vehicle as well. No rips, tears, stains, or burns. We've got a power driver's seat with power lumbar support and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. All right, so that's all power as well, and it's hooked up to a 2-driver memory system with the easy entry exit assist. I just want to show you this nice little detail here, the AT4 badge on the side of the door panel. Isn't that nice? Power folding side view mirrors too. You can see those folding in for us now. And then I'm going to forget to tell you this, Bose stereo system. I say I'm going to forget to tell you because wait till you see the infotainment system on this. It's going to slip my mind that it's all hooked up to a Bose stereo. All right, now that we're sitting inside, just have a look at the interior of this Sierra. I mean, it is really, really stunning. Safety features on this, so it's important to know that we do have forward and reverse emergency braking. So as you're backing up, even if you get a little too close to something, maybe that camera has some snow on it, the sonar will pick it up and it'll actually stop for you, so that way you don't bump into something. Same thing with the front. Of course, the front works at higher speeds too. We've got our cruise control here. We've got blind spot warning in the side view mirror, but this also includes trailer blind spot warning. So if you do have a trailer hooked up on the back, it recognizes the length of that trailer and it's going to warn you if you're in something's in the trailer blind spot, so to speak. But a really nice safety feature. So if you're towing with this AT4, really this is a fantastic package to have for you. You're going to see a couple of cool cameras in the infotainment system in just a moment. We have lane keeping assist, lane follow assist as well, automatic high beams. Gosh, what else? It's just loaded with great safety features. When you call, ask us here for that long list. We'll be able to give it to you. We've got our cruise on the wheel, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and then our controls here for our beautiful digital driver's gauges. Have a look at this. Isn't this nice? Look at the odometer, 60,463 K, a fully digital driver's gauge system here. I mean, it looks quite stunning. All right. Now, over here to our driver's knee, we have our automatic headlights, fog lights, our truck bed lighting as well. And then we have our four-wheel drive system here. So you've got auto, 2 high, 4 low, 4 high. And then we have our drive modes and our trailer towing mode. So when we flip this, we go to different drive modes here. You can see off-road, normal, right? So it's going to go between the two. Cool little graphic there as well. And then we have the tow haul mode that turns on as well. So like I say, if you're towing, great truck. Now let's have a look here at the infotainment system, a 14.5-inch widescreen touch display panel. This thing is beautiful. You can see it's kind of split in 3 areas. We've got our hot buttons over here, the main content, and then our other content over here. This can be flipped up and down to kind of show you all sorts of different things. It takes a second or two to spool up. Here's your trailing status, all right? And then a digital clock. Now, we do have onboard navigations powered by Google Maps. You do have to get a subscription for it, but we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you don't necessarily need to use that. You can see the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Now we have Play Store because you can download apps to this like Spotify, Amazon Alexa, all sorts of great apps can be downloaded, which I think is really fantastic. Even your Google Assistant too, so you can talk to this thing and ask it all sorts of questions as you're driving. We have the My GMC app, which is the app you download on your phone. Connects your phone to this AT4. It's going to allow you to do a whole bunch of cool stuff. Definitely recommend giving that a shot. Here is our trailering. So when this opens up, so it does a couple of different things. First of all, a checklist. Love that. I mean, if you're new to towing or if you don't do it often, it's really helpful to have a checklist here, just so that way you know you're crossing off all the items to be like, okay, now I'm good to tow. We've got maintenance here for your trailer, the lights, so you can do your trailer light check without having to be inside the vehicle and then one person outside. It'll do it for you while you're standing outside. Obviously, very smart, very clever, very creative. And then your camera system. So check this out. Oh, connect to trailer, really? Really? I thought you could do it. Oh. Well, I thought you could do it without having a trailer connected. But it does have a trailer camera system as well. Now, flipping back over to here, let's put this in reverse to show you. So here is our around view camera, top down view, and then the rear view camera right there. Check this out. We've got this to line up your trailer hitch so you can avoid all those domestic disputes in the front yard trying to hook up. You've got that view automatically, and then you've got the front or the rear view, and you can see here, or you have the front camera. So that's that Buick there. There's that Buick here. So a lot of different angles for this around view camera system, which makes parking this really quite easy. And of course, goes with that is hooking up your trailer very easily as well. I'll let you explore more of this when you're here in person. Here's our dual zone climate control, driver and passenger independent temperatures. We have heated and ventilated front seats. So we do have the air conditioning that'll run through these seats as well. So that eliminates the whole I'm hot, I don't like leather seating because they're hot. Nah, turn on your air conditioned seats, you're good to go. We have our toggle switches down here, even the power operated rear tailgate, lane keeping assist, your sonar, all sorts of cool stuff. And then our push button start. That's a chunky push button start. I love that. And then some storage here, our nice looking gear selector, the integrated trailer brake controller right here, good spot for it too. Couple USB ports, and then as I mentioned, this massive armrest. We have the wireless charging pad here, so you just drop your phone there, it'll start to charge. More USB ports. A regular home outlet is located right here. It's kind of hard to see because my hands are in the way. Regular home outlet as well. So, I mean, you could charge up the space shuttle in here and still have USBs to spare. And then we have a dual glove box set up over here on the right-hand side. Now, before you go anywhere, first of all, two things. A, look at the build sheet for this AT4. Look at all of the options. 3 pages of options on the build sheet for this AT4. So when I say it's fully loaded, this thing is fully loaded. Okay, so you can review that when you come visit us here for a test drive. And then here's our Carfax. 1 owner, no reported accidents, 5 service records on file as well. But a 1 owner, no accident AT4 with 60,000 K, white on black. Yeah, if you're still watching, now's the time that you call us here at Gus Brown and book your appointment to come get behind the wheel of this Sierra. This won't be here for long. It really is a fantastic find with all these features in this incredible condition. So give us a call or visit us here at Gus Brown Buick GMC right here in the heart of Whitby. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to whoever picks up this fantastic truck.